Next, we are going to try and show that a quadrilateral is a rectangle by using the slope formula. I like this one a lot better than using distance because instead of showing 6 distances, I'm only going to need 4 slopes. And to use the slope formula, we're going to find the slope of all 4 sides. Okay, so that means I'm going to use my slope formula of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I need to find the slope of jk, kl, lm, and mj. Again, I'm just going to list what these slopes are and then explain why or why this isn't a rectangle. So for jk, that slope is going to be 1/3. KL is -3. LM is 1/3. And MJ is -3. So from this information, I know that we have a rectangle. And here's why. First, we know it is a parallelogram because our opposite sides are parallel. Notice how I have a 1/3, 1/3, -3, and -3. We know that opposite sides are parallel. Again, that only shows that I have a parallelogram. I know that I have a rectangle based on my consecutive sides, meaning if I focus on JK and KL, or KL and LM, for example, or even LM and MJ, or MJ and JK, just pick 2 sides that are right next to each other. If I focus on JK and KL, notice the relationship, 1/3 and -3. These are opposite reciprocal slopes. And anytime I have opposite reciprocal slopes, I have perpendicular lines. And since I have perpendicular lines, I know that I have a 90-degree angle. So really, when you're showing slope, if you can come up with perpendicular lines or opposite reciprocal slopes, you just showed me that your parallelogram has 4 right angles. So we can say that, yes, this is a rectangle because we have 4 right angles, or consecutive sides are perpendicular. One of those reasons is going to be good enough for me.